Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to challenge myself more and know if I'll be able to achieve something I've been really seeing on YouTube. I've seen Brownie and the guy on Next Workouts showing out their record-breaking push-ups and stuffs like that. Doing really cool stuffs. So when I tried to duplicate such thing, I discovered that I've lost my stamina and endurance. I couldn't even do push-up straight to 50. Don't even do push-up for a long time again, like something I know I could do before. So I decided to challenge myself today. I know the number of push-ups I'll be able to do in 5 minutes. In between sets of push-ups I'll be resting for 60 seconds. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm tempted to do the push-up to use my fists and stand, but the last time I tried it was really hard. So I'm just going to do it with my palms. 40 reps of push-ups in the first set. So I'm going to rest for 60 seconds and start another set. Twenty reps in the second set. Rest. I want to rest for a few seconds more. Time is up. 90 push-ups. I can't believe I was able to do only 90 push-ups. I need to practice more to improve my endurance and stamina. I really get tired very easily these days. So guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like it if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.